I have not done one of these videos in so long. And yes, I'm in my tack room. Woohoo! I am back in my tack room because I have a really fun video for you today. We're doing a Riding Warehouse and Dollar Tree Equestrian unboxing video. Hello, my crafty and equestrian friends. It's me, Lisa from Lisa Goodwin DIY. And like I said in the beginning, I have an unboxing video for you with some different equestrian related things that I got at Riding Warehouse and the Dollar Tree. So let's get into the unboxing. Which should I do first? Let's do Riding Warehouse because I really want to look at this stuff. Okay, so I have a big box of things that I bought from Riding Warehouse, and it did take a little bit longer than typical for this box to get to me because some of the items that I ordered were on back order. So Riding Warehouse was awesome, and they sent the majority of everything. There's one thing I'm still waiting for, but for now, I wanted to share with you some of the things that I got at Riding Warehouse. And I placed my order back on Memorial Day weekend when they were having their huge Memorial Day sale. It was such an awesome sale. And with the way everything is so expensive today, I thought I would look at Riding Warehouse, see what they had. And I was so blown away with the deals that I ended up spending a little more than I had anticipated. Okay, a lot more than I anticipated because I wasn't planning on making a purchase, but these deals were so great that I got a whole box of stuff. So let's see what I got. All right, so the first thing I got are these Lemieux cactus wash balls. And these collect hair, fur, and loose fibers. They also help to release stubborn stains and dirt. So what you do is you place these wash balls inside a wash bag with a saddle pad, and then you wash it. And it helps to get that hair out, which all the time I have hair that I can't get out of my saddle pads, especially in springtime when the horses start shedding. So these are going to be really neat to use when I'm washing saddle pads. And next I got a huge bottle of my most favorite shampoo to use on my horses, and then the conditioner I sometimes use on myself. But this is E3 Argan Oil Shampoo. And this stuff makes your horse so shiny and so soft, and I love it. And the first time I bought it, I found it at Dover's, and it was like $20, $21 for this size of a bottle, a 32-ounce bottle. But on Riding Warehouse's sale, they had it for like $11. So that was an awesome deal, and that will last me all summer long. And to go with the shampoo, I also got the moisturizing conditioner. Again, it was around $11. And it did leak a little bit in the bag, but I'm really glad that Riding Warehouse did put it in a bag so then it didn't leak over everything else that I bought. But this conditioner is awesome, not only for my horses, but I've actually found to use on my own hair. It works really, really well. And that was a great deal. And I also picked up a jar of All hoof ointment. This is probably my favorite hoof ointment to use on my horses. It comes in different colors, and I got mine in green. And again, it was an awesome deal. It was like $10.36 for a big tub. This is, I don't even know how big it is. It is 500 milliliters or 17 ounces, and this lasts a really long time. It doesn't take very much to put on your horse's hooves to give a really nice conditioning treatment. It also strengthens the hooves, and it helps to make the hooves more elastic and protects them against cracks even under extreme conditions. And I'll typically use this about 3 times a week during the summertime when it gets really dry, and my horse's hooves have never looked better since I started using this. And to go along with the All products that I bought, I did buy another container of the All hoof oil. I love this stuff. This works so good. Now, the hoof oil is a little bit more expensive than the ointment. The ointment lasts a really long time. This doesn't last quite as long, but it's awesome. And this was on sale for $18.36. And it is a 16.7 ounce container. And the hoof oil is an oil. And it comes with this really handy application brush. So in the past, I've actually just kept the container and refilled it with other oils and stuff that I can use on my horse's hooves because of the brush. Oh, and they packaged this so well. I love this. This is Steuben Brush On, and it is in the scent Rose and Green Tea. And this is probably my most favorite detangler that I've ever used on my horse's manes and tails. And it also smells really good. I can literally spray this on their tails, wait just a few minutes, and then brush through their tails without any tangles or pulling on their hair. It just works so well. So the Steuben Care Brush On, this one is my favorite. All right, so I think that was pretty much all of the horse care items that I bought. But now I got some really, really pretty, really neat matchy matchy things that I just have to show you. Oh, I'm so excited about this. All right, so during their Memorial Day sale, Riding Warehouse had a epic deal on a lot of Lemieux products. So I went ahead and splurged, and I got this gorgeous saddle pad. Can you see that? That is so nice. So nice. So this is the Lemieux Lori Satin Memory saddle pad. It's awesome. It's so beautiful. And this is in their summer color Bluebell. And I've never gotten like a whole matchy matchy set, but I saw this color and I thought it would look really pretty on Plezant. So I had to do a little matchy matchy shopping. And you can't be matchy matchy without the fly veil. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. That is so nice. And I didn't get the Lori version of the fly veil. I got just the regular one, and this is, of course, the Lemieux fly veil in Bluebell to match my pretty saddle pad. And then I thought, you know what, let's see what else they have in the Bluebell color for summer 2022, because I really want to go big or go home. Matchy matchy everything. So I got actually two pair of boots in the Bluebell color that will matchy matchy. So Plezant is going to be totally decked out in matching tack. So I got large for his front legs and extra large for his hind legs. They were just so pretty. I just had to. This is going to be so awesome. And I figured, you know what? Plezant's got a whole new tack set, so I might as well get me a matching shirt. So I did get a Lemieux polo for myself, so we can totally be matching. I don't have the Bluebell breeches, but that's okay. I think this will look pretty with my black riding tights. I think it'll look all right. Now, like I said, I've never gone matchy matchy to that extreme until I saw everything that was on sale at Riding Warehouse, and everything was such good deals, especially the Lemieux items. So the saddle pad is normally like $111, and because of their sale that they were having, it was $88. So that was like, yes, I really want that. I really like the Lemieux pads. I like how they fit under my saddle, and they just work really well for Plezant. So I did go ahead and go big on this one, but I also, and this is actually still on back order, but I really like the mulberry color, and actually I have a mulberry saddle pad of Lemieux. And because of the awesome deals that they were having, I went ahead and ordered the Lori saddle pad in the mulberry color as well. Unfortunately, that is still back ordered, so I'm waiting on that, but I have wanted that saddle pad for so long. It's so beautiful. So I will make sure to take a picture and probably post it on my Instagram when that comes. And I'll probably be wearing this. This is a mulberry base layer by Lemieux. Very nice, very stretchy. So I'm gonna have the mulberry base layer shirt for myself, the Lori mulberry pad for Plezant, and I actually already have the mulberry fly veil too, but that's inside because I can't bring that outside until we're all matchy matchy. Now, these are the first pieces of clothing for myself that I've bought from Lemieux, and actually I'm really impressed. It seems like it's really good quality. The stitching is nice, the arms are nice and long, so I'm really excited to try these on and see how comfortable they are when I'm riding. And the last thing that I got from Riding Warehouse was a new bridle. This is a bridle by Loveson, and I don't know if you've seen some of their products, but they have really affordable products, and with the sale at Riding Warehouse, this was $26. So it is a raised bridle. So it's the headstall along with a pair of rubber reins, and I really wanted it in brown. They didn't have it, so I did get it in black. It's nice leather for $25. This leather is really nice. And it even has the updated padded crown piece for your horse's comfort. This is a really nice bridle. I am really impressed with this. And the reins are really nice too. They're so pliable. This is not like cheap leather. These are really nice. This is a really well-made bridle. And for $25, you can't beat the price. So that was awesome. And one of the reasons why I bought this bridle was because I have a beautiful brow band. This one right here. Isn't that pretty? And I got this from Equestrian a long time ago when I had a little oops in a package shipping, and they didn't send me what I had ordered, and they actually made good on the mistake, and mistakes happen. I totally get that. I totally understand that. They made good on it. It isn't exactly what I wanted, but I think this is actually really pretty. So I want to put this brow band on my little cheapy bridle. So that will be super pretty. Super pretty. And I will share more on that in an upcoming video. But Equestrian did a really good thing. They made things right. So pretty excited to put this on and try it on Plezant. I think it'll look really nice on him. All right, so that was the Riding Warehouse portion of my unboxing or tack haul. Now I thought it would be fun to share with you some things that I got at the Dollar Tree that are equestrian related. So the first thing I got is this big bin. And this was in the Dollar Plus section, and it was $3. But I wanted something larger to put my boots in for my horse's legs. So I went ahead and bought this. I spent $3 because this will hold all of Plezant's boots for easy access and someplace for it to have a home when I'm not using them. Easy to put back too. And next I got some duct tape. But the reason I got this is it's really pretty. It's kind of purple iridescent. And I thought it would be fun to update a jump, probably 1 or 2 rails for a horse jump, and just using this duct tape. But it was really pretty and I liked the purple. So I thought that would be fun to update a jump with. Now next, this was really neat, and I haven't seen these except for this year, but this is a mop and brush holder, and it actually has little holes so you can screw it into the wall. But I thought this would be really nice to hang up in my feed room area, or even in here somewhere, for me to put my rake and my manure fork on to help keep it out of the way. So for $1.25, that was a good deal. And it's got a really nice hook in the center too. So I'm sure I can find something to put on that. You can never have enough hooks, right? So I got 2 packages of these self-adhesive hooks. They're silver. They're really pretty. They come in a 4-pack for $1.25, and they actually are self-adhesive. So they have an adhesive on the back that you can hang up, and then you can make usable space off of unused space in your tack room, feed room, in your horse trailer. Very nice to have. All right, now I don't know if this is going to work, but this is a shaving brush. And it looked interesting. Let's open it up. See how stiff the bristles are. Oh my gosh, those are actually really stiff. This is going to work. So just as an example, so let's say that you have a hoof ointment. I can't find the big one that I just bought, but you can use this as a hoof brush. So you can paint on your hoof ointment, oils, whatever, using this shaving brush. And the bristles are really nice and stiff. They're not too flimsy. So I think that's going to work really well. for applying hoof oils. Now, I don't know about you, but I lose these all the time, or they break. And even if this breaks, it was $1.25, so that's okay. But I needed an extra spray nozzle for when I'm bathing my horses and cleaning stuff around the barn. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to get a very pretty aqua colored spray nozzle. And it has a nice rubber grip on the handle, so we will see how long that lasts, but good deal for $1.25. Now, I know this might seem silly, but these are headbands, and they're nice little headbands that can help keep your hair out of the way. So you can use them under your riding helmet because they're very thin, or when you get done riding your horse and you have barn hair, and if you have bangs like me, your bangs are going all different directions. Well, this will help keep your bangs out of the way. And it's nice to have a couple of them in the tack room or in your horse trailer or your grooming kit. Keep your hair out of the way while you're playing with your horse. And then I found these clips. They're jaw clips. They're actually pretty nice. It's a set of 3. So you can either tie your hair out of the way, or if you're braiding your horse's mane or tail, they're nice little clips to help keep that excess hair out of the way. And to go along with it, braiding your horse's mane, probably not tail, but they had this cute little crochet hook and a comb. So it's a rat tail comb. Works great for sectioning off areas that you're braiding. And then the hook, you can use that to pull the braid through and not mess up your braid. So that was pretty neat for $1.25. And then I found this super cute little purse, and it actually has 2 pockets. So if you're going to the barn and you wanted to keep your phone with you and your car key or your key fob or whatever for your car, this is a very handy little wristlet that you can take with you. And if you're wearing a belt, you could put this on the belt so that you're riding and you can have your phone with you, or your keys, or if you're going on the trail or something. I just thought that was really handy to have. And it's like a vinyl material, so probably not waterproof, but it's definitely more protective than, say, just a little cloth bag. So that was pretty nice. Well, that is it. That was my unboxing video that I really wanted to share with you guys of everything that I got from a very awesome Riding Warehouse haul, and some really nice equestrian things that you can find at the Dollar Tree. You just have to use your brain a little bit and figure out how can you use this stuff in the barn or in the tack room. Would you have ever thought of using a shaving brush from the Dollar Tree for hoof ointment? I wouldn't, but then my brain started going, bet I can find something to use that for. And I found some really cool pieces to make some equestrian related DIY projects that I think you are really gonna like. I think you're gonna like them. I like them. The person I made them for liked them, and it was a really affordable option. Some really fun and useful items that you can use in your tack room using stuff you get at the Dollar Tree. So be on the lookout for that video. It's coming up soon, and I think you're really going to enjoy it. And I will be back with a new DIY craft. I think I'm gonna do my 4th of July. I think that's going to be the next video. My 4th of July tiered tray that I made. I actually made the tiered tray and a lot of the pieces that go on it. So I think since we are right around the corner from the 4th of July, that will be the next video coming out. So be sure to subscribe, come back for all of my videos, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.